Hello, Positive Thinkers. In this video lesson, you will learn on how to solve problems involving exponential equations. So in solving exponential equations, you need to express both sides with the same base. For example, number 1, we have 5 raised to 3x equals 5 raised to 9. So since the base are all the same on both sides, so we can cancel that out. And then copy the exponents. We have 3x equals 9. Next, to solve for x, we need to divide both sides by 3. Divide this by 3, divide this also by 3. Cancel the 3, or that is 1x or just x, equals 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, the value of x is 3. Number 2, we have 7 raised to the power of b minus 3 equals 7 raised to 8. So the base now are all the same, so we can cancel that out. And then copy the exponents. We have b minus 3 is equal to 8. Next, solve for b. We have b minus 3, so we need to isolate the negative 3 from b. So we're going to transfer that on the right side of the equation. So b equals 8. Negative 3 going to the right side will become positive 3 or plus 3. So therefore, b is equal to 11. Number 3, 25 is equal to 5 raised to x. Okay, so we have different base on both sides. So we have 25 and 5. We know that 25 can be expressed into exponential form as 5 raised to 2 or 5 squared. Because 5 squared is 25, then equals 5 raised to x. Now, both sides have the same base of 5. Cancel the 5. And then copy the exponents. 2 is equal to x, or that is x is equal to 2. Number 4, we have 8 raised to the power of m plus 1 equals 4 raised to the power of 2m times 2 raised to m. We have the different bases. We have 8, 4, and 2. Okay, so the lowest base from the given is 2. And we know that 4 is or can be expressed as 2 raised to 2. And 8 can be expressed as 2 raised to 3. So therefore, our base is 2. So we have 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 or 2 cubed means 8. And then we have the exponent, so we're going to multiply that. So times m plus 1 equals 4 can be expressed as 2 squared. Then we have times 2m. 2m. Okay, times 2 raised to m. Okay, next one. So we're going to apply here the product rule, wherein you're going to copy the base if the two terms have the same base. So we're going to copy the base and then add their exponents. Okay, that is the rule, the product rule. Okay, copy 2 raised to, we can multiply this using distributive property. 3 times m, 3m. Then 3 times 1 is 3 or positive 3. Then equals, okay, here, so we have 2 raised to 4, okay, 4m. 2 times 2m is 4m. Then times 2 raised to m. Okay, here, we can apply the product rule. So in product rule, you're going to copy the base and then add their exponents. So we have 2 raised to 3m plus 3. You cannot combine 3m plus 3. They are unlike terms. Then equals, product rule, copy the base, add their exponents. So 4m plus m. Okay, next one. So since we have now the same base on both sides, so you can cancel the base and then copy the exponents. We have 3m plus 3 equals 4m plus m. 4m plus m are like terms, so we can add that. So therefore, 3m plus 3 equals 4m plus 1m, or 4m plus m is 5m. 5m. Next, combine like terms. So we're just going to transfer 3m on the right side. So copy the 3 equals 5m. Next, 3m will become negative 3m. Then 3 equals 5m minus 3m is 2m. Right, next one. We're going to solve for m. Okay, we can arrange that as 2m equals 3. Next, to solve for m, divide both sides by 2. By 2. Cancel. So therefore, m is 3 halves, or 3 over 2. Okay, number 5. Right, number 5. We have 2 raised to the power of 4w equals 1 over 16. Okay, we have fraction on the right side. We need to, or we can use here the negative exponent rule. Okay, copy the term on the left side, 2 raised to 4w equals 1 over 16 using the negative exponent rule will become 16 raised to negative 1. Okay, 16 raised to negative 1. Using the negative exponent rule. Next is, we're going to express both sides with the same base. So we have 2, and 16 can be expressed with the base 2. 2 raised to 4. So we have 2 raised to 4w equals 16 can be expressed as 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 is 16. Then times negative 1. Okay, so we have 2 raised to 4w equals 2. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. And then, cancel the base. Copy the exponents. 4w equals negative 4. Then, divide both sides by 4. Cancel the 4. So, therefore, the value of w is negative 1. Negative 4 divided 4 is negative 1. Okay, so this is number 6. We have 10 raised to a minus 2 equals 1 over 100. Okay, same process. We need to use here the negative exponent rule. So we have 10 raised to a minus 2 equals 1 over 100 can be expressed as 100 raised to negative 1. Next, we need to express both sides with the same base. We can express 100 as 10 raised to 2 because 10 times 10 is 100. Okay, copy. 10 raised to a minus 2 equals 10 raised to 2. 10 raised to 2 or 10 squared is 100. Then multiply negative 1. So we have 10 raised to a minus 2 equals 10. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Cancel the base, then copy the exponent. So we have a minus 2 equals negative 2. And then solve for a, isolate the numbers and the variables. So a equals negative 2. Negative 2 from the left will become positive 2 on the right. And therefore, a is 0. Negative 2 plus 2, that is unlike sign, so subtract 2 minus 2 is 0. The value of a is 2.